Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Simplified, and in this video we'll see that how we can uninstall the Visual Studio version, right? So how we can install the Visual Studio? That's like very simple. Either we can go via control panel or we can directly write here. This is my Windows 10, so we can directly write here add or remove. So as soon as you type add or remove program, and via that we can uninstall the version. So if you click here, you have to search here Visual Studio, right? That's the Visual Studio. So now okay, let me write studio as well so that it will be more narrower. So now you can see that we have two things, one is installer and one is Visual Studio Enterprise 2019, and that's the version I have in my system. So what you need to do, first you need to uninstall this part. After that we'll install this one, right? So currently you can see that currently I have 16.9.11 version and of Visual Studio 2019. So sometime why you want to uninstall. You want to uninstall, let's say if you don't need right now, so that you can directly install, or maybe you want to downgrade the version. So for that also you have to uninstall, and then it will you can basically install the another version, right? When you are upgrading, then in this case we don't need to uninstall, but when you are downgrading, then definitely you have to uninstall the larger version, and then only you will install the downgraded version, right? So first we'll uninstall this part, and then we'll uninstall this installer part, right? So let's click on this one and let's see what happens. Once it happens, then it basically start the install process. You can see here. So now you can see it is started the uninstalling the applications. So basically what it does, that whatever packages you have installed, so first of all it will uninstall that, and at last it will uninstall the installer. So now uninstallation of Visual Studio 2019 is done, and now let's come to here and then we'll uninstall this one as well, right? So let's make it uninstall, and this will also take some time, and then we are done. So it says remove Visual Studio and associated installation of yes, so let's make it as well, and then once it is done, then it should basically uninstall completed successfully, right? So now you can see that if you search the Visual Studio, nothing will appear here. So it means we are done from here, and we are in good state, right? So I hope you might have liked this video, and in this video we have seen that how we can uninstall the Visual Studio version. In case you have any doubts, please write in the comment section and I will try to explain that. And guys, if you want to see that how we can downgrade the version, then I have another video for that, so you can directly see that video in this Visual Studio playlist. So thanks for watching the video, and in case you have liked it, please like the video and please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.